Hi guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Walgreens in-store couponing video. So let's go ahead and hop into Walgreens and check out the deals, and I'm going to share with you guys how you can work the Walgreens app once we get inside the store. So let's head into Walgreens. And there will also be a printable breakdown for you guys so you can follow along with these deals. So let's get to couponing. All right, you guys, so the first deal I'm going to share with you guys is in the school supply section again. This is a repeat deal. So the 3-pack of Elmer's glue sticks as well as the 4-ounce bottle of Elmer's glue, 49 cents. This is a really good deal, and I'm glad that they extended this another week so that we can get all of those last minute school supplies. All right, you guys, so another school supply deal we have are on the Crayola colored pencils. So the 12 count colored pencils as well as the 10 count of Crayola markers. They are on sale for just 99 cents. So really good deal. You guys, so check your clearances. So you're gonna see these orange stickers for clearance items. So I am seeing Crunch bars. This is a 10-ounce Crunch bar. So it is on clearance for $2.49. And there is a 75-cent off one coupon from our insert. So if you find this clearance find, then pair it up with this coupon right here. All right, you guys, so my disco ball is still here. There is 3 left, so it looks like someone bought one, but I am still too stinking cheap to buy this right now. I want to wait for it to go down just a little more. All right, you guys, so another really fun freebie you can pick up is the Pacific Shaving Co. shaving cream, or it's also on the aftershave. So this is priced for $5.49, and there is a mail-in rebate form that you can go ahead and submit. So I'll have that form linked below, but all you got to do is purchase it and then send in your mail-in rebate, and then you're going to get a rebate for the price that you paid for, or you can opt to do the donation to where you can donate 2 tubes of the shaving cream to men in need. All right, you guys, so today's Walgreens video, I actually have a fun giveaway for you guys, and this giveaway is actually sponsored by Smart Sweets. So I love Smart Sweets because there is 3 grams of sugar in the whole entire bag, you guys. This is awesome. So if you're following a low carb journey, if you're doing keto, if you just want your kids to have less sugar, these are great. And the reviews that I've heard, they have a lot of fiber in them, but I don't mind that because having a lot of fiber is helpful for me. And I really love the texture of these gummies as well. So if you would like to be entered to win a whole entire box of Smart Sweets, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And if you want a bonus entry, then go ahead and leave a comment in my photo with Smart Sweets on my Instagram. So I will have my Instagram linked below. So go ahead and comment there if you want an extra entry, but the only requirement is to be subscribed to my channel, and just leave any comment below. And good luck to everyone, and thank you so much to Smart Sweets for hosting another giveaway here on my channel. Okay, so we have a really nice deal on the Renews-Its here at Walgreens starting on Sunday. So these are on sale for 89 cents, and we have a buy 4 get 2 free coupon that came in our inserts this past Sunday. So what you want to do is buy 6 of them, and then when you use this 4 off 2 coupon, then it's going to make them just 59 cents each. So I'm just going to share with you guys how easy it is to use the Walgreens app. So I'm going to go ahead and go into my app right here, and if I want to know if there is a manufacturer coupon, what I'm going to do is go to weekly ad coupons, click that, and then there is a little barcode right here, so I'm going to click it. I'm going to click the barcode and just scan the product. Okay, and it's going to pull up if there are any coupons. So there are no coupons for the Renews-It on my Walgreens app. I always check the Walgreens app to see if there are any coupons. I'm going to do another scenario for you guys. It's on the Febreze plugin. So I'm going to scan the barcode again. And there are some other coupons that are coming up. So there is $1 you can clip for Airwick. There's $1 you can clip for Lysol. So I just wanted to share with you guys how easy it is to go ahead and use your Walgreens app. And then something else you can do is, if you want to see all the different coupons you have, all you have to do is click View Coupons, View All Coupons. And it's going to share with you guys all of the coupons that you can go ahead and add to your Walgreens app. Alright, you guys, so another deal here in the cleaning aisle over at Walgreens is on the Lysol. So the Lysol wipes, they're priced for $2.49, and we have a $1 off 2 coupon inside of the Walgreens app. So what you want to do is buy 2 of them for $4.98. Use that $1 off 2 coupon, so it makes them just $1.99 each, and starting cost is $3.79 here at Walgreens. So not a bad deal for some Lysol wipes. You guys, so another really good deal over at Walgreens is going to be in the ad. So in the ad, there's going to be a 99-cent coupon that you can go ahead and scan, so you can get your ad in the newspaper, or you can get it inside of Walgreens. But there's going to be a coupon, you scan it, it's going to make the sandwich bags 99 cents. So the starting cost is $2.99. You're going to get them for just 99 cents, so great deal. Another deal inside of the freezer section here at Walgreens is on the Tyson chicken, as well as the Ore-Ida crinkle fries. So they are buy one get one free, so you can buy one of the Tyson chickens at $5.79, get the second for free, or you can go ahead and buy the Tyson chicken and then get the french fries for free. All right, so the last deal I'm going to share with you guys is on the Chobani yogurt. So these are priced 5 for $5 or $1 a piece when you buy 5, and we have a checkout 51. So these are priced for 99 cents, and there is a $1 back when you buy 5 on checkout 51. So it makes them about 79 cents each after the checkout 51. All right, you guys, so these are all the deals I have to share with you this week here at Walgreens. There are a few handfuls of great deals, so definitely still get yourself out to Walgreens if you have one in your area, especially if you have last minute school supplies. I also got a coupon to take, you get an additional ×10 bonus rewards points, because I just bought some Butterfingers because I have those 50 cent off 2 coupons. So I bought a few more of them, and then I used that coupon on the clearance Crunch bars. So that coupon printed for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Walgreens in-store video, and good luck to everyone with the Smart Sweets giveaway, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.